Let's look now at co-ratios. There are rules to co-ratios that you must follow. So when you have sine of 90 minus x, that changes to positive cos x. When you have cos of 90 minus x, that changes to positive sine x. When you have sine of 90 plus x, that changes to positive cos x. And when you have cos of 90 plus x, that now changes to a negative sine x. So the cos of 90 plus x is one you need to be wary of because that changes to a negative sine x. So convert or simplify each of the following. Cos of 25. So cos 25 will change to sine of 90 minus 25, which is sine of 75. Let's look at a bigger example here. Cos of 25 over sine 30 divided by sine 75 over cos 60. So we need to decide on what we are going to change here. So let's start with changing the cos 25. Cos 25 we know will change to sine of 90 minus 25. And we know that that is sine of 75 here. At the bottom here we have sine of 30. We know that sine 30 changes to cos of 90 minus 30, which is cos of 60 here. Now we have sine 75 and we have cos 60. I see on this side of the equation, this side of the expression, we have sine 75 and a cos 60 as well. So I will not change those ones because that would be changing too many things. So let's instead change the divide to a times, and when we do that we swap the second fraction around. So cos 60 goes on the top, sine 75 goes at the bottom. So now we can see that we can cancel things off. The sine 75 from this numerator can cancel with the sine 75 from that denominator. The cos 60 from this denominator can cancel with the cos 60 from this numerator. We can cancel because the sign in the middle is multiplication. If everything cancels off, it means that we are left with not nothing, but we are left with the value of 1. Let's try one more. We have sine of 90 minus x times cos x all over sine of 90 plus x. So sine of 90 minus x, we know that that changes to cos x. We'll leave this cos x here alone for now. Sine 90 plus x at the bottom, we know also changes to cos x. Now we can cancel things off because everything is being multiplied. So let's cancel cos x from the top with cos x at the bottom, and we're left with one more cos x on the top, which will remain as cos x.